Hi students, let us discuss an important problem for intermediate students. This is the given problem. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2, -1. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2, -1 and having center at 2, 3. We have to find a circle which have a center at 2, 3, center at 2, 3 and circle passing through a point P 2, -1. Let the required circle be, let the required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the required circle. Here given that center of the circle is 2, 3. We know that center for this circle is x quotient by -2, y quotient by -2, 2g by -2 minus g, 2f by -2, 2g by -2, 2f by -2. So minus g minus f. Here center is minus g minus f. But given that center is 2, 3. So minus g, on comparing these 2 points, we get minus g equal to 2. Minus g equal to 2 implies g equal to -2. And minus f equal to 3 implies f equal to -3. Put these values g and f. Put these values g and f in required circle. We get required circle. Required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2 into here g value is -2. 2 into -2 into x plus 2fy. 2fy. 2 into here f value is -3 into y plus c equal to 0. This required circle passes through 2, -1. This circle passes through 2, -1. So put x equal to 2, y equal to -1 in this circle. We get x square, 2 square 4 plus y square -1 whole square 1 minus 4 into x, value of x is 2, minus 2 into -3 minus 6 into y is -1 plus c equal to 0. So four plus 1 5, 5 minus 8 -3 plus 6 3, 3 plus c equal to 0 implies c equal to -3. Put c equal to -3 in required circle. We get, so required circle is x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus c value is -3 equal to 0. Alternate method for this problem is, given that center 2, 3, alternate method, given that center h, k equal to 2 comma 3. We know that distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. Radius r equal to cp equal to distance between 2 points x2 minus x1 whole square 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 3 minus of minus 1 3 plus 1 whole square equal to 0 plus 16 equal to 4. So radius is 4. We know that equation of a circle with center h comma k, equation of a circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. That is x minus h. Here h is center h comma k. H is 2. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus k. Here k is 3. Y minus 3 whole square equal to r square. Here r is 4. 4 square is 16. And expanding this one, we get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y minus 3 whole square, y square minus 2y into 3 minus 6y plus 9 equal to 16. So required circle is x square plus y square minus 4x, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13. Taking 16 on left hand side, we get 13 minus 16 minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required circle. Thank you very much for watching this video.